This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad videos. First, plan your video's narrative, outlining each step from ingredient prep to the final dish. Good lighting and clear audio are crucial for a professional look and feel. Use close-up shots to emphasize the textures and details of your ingredients, making the food look irresistible. Remember to keep your pacing engaging and your instructions easy to follow for your audience. When filming, capture your process from various angles to create a dynamic visual experience. A clean and organized workspace is essential for a professional appearance on camera. During editing, focus on smooth transitions between shots and maintain an engaging pace to keep viewers hooked. Consider adding background music that complements the mood of your video without distracting from your instructions. This attention to detail elevates your content. Once your potato salad is complete, present it beautifully on camera. Use appealing serving dishes and garnishes to make it look even more delicious. Offer creative serving suggestions or pairing ideas to inspire your viewers. Remember to engage with comments and questions, fostering a sense of community around your content. This interaction helps build a loyal audience and encourages repeat viewership for your culinary creations. Before you hit record, practice your potato salad recipe and presentation to ensure a smooth filming process. Don't be afraid to experiment with different camera settings and angles to find what works best for your style. Remember, consistency in your video quality and content helps grow your channel. Also, for those who love to read and learn, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Keep creating delicious content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.